Hello students, myself Professor Ashok M. Jain. In this lecture, I am going to talk about DC motor starters. We will discuss what is a 3-point starter, 4-point starter, 2-point starters, what are the functions of the starter. Okay, so here first of all, what is the necessity of a starter I am going to discuss. See, for discussing this starter, I am just going to draw a DC shunt motor. Let us say DC shunt motor we have, right? This is armature resistance RA and this is EB. This is the field winding. And we are applying the voltage plus minus VT. When you apply the voltage, motor will take the current, let us say IL. Out of this IL, armature will take IA and field winding will take IF, and this field current is very less to produce the flux. Now we know the voltage equation. What is the voltage equation? Voltage equation equal to what? EB equal to what? VT minus IA RA. So from here EB will come here and IARA will come here. So IARA equal to VT minus EB. And IA equal to armature current equal to VT minus EB upon RA, armature resistance. Now from this equation, at the time of starting, at start, what is the N? Speed, N equal to 0. When you are going to start the motor, speed will be 0. And we know EB equal to what? K N phi. If N equal to 0, EB will be 0. So at start, back EMF, opposing factor will be 0. Right? Hence, starting armature current, armature current equal to क्या होगा at start? Right? At start, IA equal to what? VT upon RA, because EB will be 0. So we know VT, suppose करो 230 volt. In case of generally supply voltage is 230 volt, sorry, supply voltage, and RA is very less, say 0.5 ohm for example. So 230 upon 0.5, we can say it is 460 ampere, while this machine is designed for 10 ampere. Actually it is designed for 10 ampere current, but it is taking 460 ampere. Is it clear? What is happening? At start, speed is 0. So back EMF is 0. We know IA equal to VT minus EB upon RA. So at start, back opposing factor, that is EB is 0. So starting current will be VT upon RA. We know VT equal to 230. RA is very very less, for example 0.5. So it will draw very heavy current. In place of 10 ampere, this is 460 ampere. This is for example, don't say it is 10 ampere. This is for example. So actually इसको 10 ampere draw करना था, but वो 460 ampere will draw. This may happen. It will draw heavy current, and we'll discuss what will happen later on. Now, how to limit the starting current? How to limit the starting current? We have to limit starting current. अगर ज़्यादा current हो गया, what will happen? If motor will draw very heavy current, so first sparking will start. That is the problem. Agar motor will draw heavy starting current, so it is sparking at commutator. Sparking at commutator will start. Second problem क्या आएगा? Damage to the armature winding. Damage to the armature winding. Why it will be damaged? Because it will draw very heavy starting current, so copper loss will be very high. Clear? And it may damage. Third, clear, because copper loss will be very high, because of armature current, so copper loss will convert into heat. It will damage the armature winding. Third problem क्या है? Torque is proportional to what? Phi into IA. At start, if IA is very high, starting torque will be very high, and motor will start with jerk. and because of the jerk, rotating part may damage. So this may happen if you are going to start the motor without starter. Now अपना काम क्या है? To limit the starting current. अगर आपने starting current को कम नहीं किया, so motor में these problems will face. So how to limit the starting current? To limit starting current. That is the function of the starter. To limit the starting current. How will you limit? I start equal to क्या होगा? IA start equal to VT upon RA. That is the starting current. अगर आप इसके आर्मेचर के सीरीज में एडिशनल रेजिस्टेंस इंसर्ट कर दो, clear, that is the function of the starter. If you insert the additional resistance in series with the armature here R, यहाँ दिखाओ, तो क्या होगा? Starting armature current will be reduced. Starting armature current will be reduced because of this resistance. Clear? So this is the function of the starter. It reduces the starting armature current by inserting additional resistance in series with the armature. Clear? Now, so you can limit. Now, जैसी motor will pick up the speed. अभी current limit हो गया, no problem. Current limit होगा तो torque will be produced phi into IA. Starting torque will be produced, so motor will start rotating. So N will start increasing. From 0 से it will start increasing N. Speed बढ़ेगा तो क्या होगा? Back EMF will start increasing. Clear? So IA कितना हो जाएगा? VT minus EB upon RA plus R. भाई जैसी मोटर पिकअप द स्पीड बढ़ेगा तो EB बढ़ेगा तो दिस इज अपोजिंग फैक्टर टू VT. सो दिस न्यूमरेटर विल डिक्रीज, सो IA विल डिक्रीज. और IA अगर आपका कम हो गया लिमिट के नीचे तो स्टार्टिंग टार्क विल नॉट इंक्रीज. क्लियर ना? सो ये कम नहीं होने चाहिए, एक लिमिट के नीचे नहीं जाने चाहिए. तो क्या करेंगे? एट द सेम टाइम जैसे ही N बढ़ेगा EB बढ़ेगा तो हम क्या करते जाएंगे? दिस जो रेजिस्टेंस आपने इंसर्ट किया था स्टार्टिंग में, उसको आप धीरे धीरे कट करते जाएंगे. डोंट कट at the instant. Slowly we will cut down this starting resistance. So this will decrease, this will also decrease, so it will maintain the current and torque will increase. Clear? That is the function of the starter. Okay, so in starter we are inserting resistance in series with the armature initially, and gradually this resistance will be cut down. Clear? अगर अदरवाइज आपका स्पीड पिकअप नहीं होगा और एडिशनल एनर्जी विल बी, अगर आपने परमानेंट रख दिया तो क्या होगा? एडिशनल एनर्जी विल बी लॉस्ट इन, एडिशनल एनर्जी विल बी रिक्वायर्ड. ओके, लॉसेस विल बी मोर because of this resistance. So this resistance will be gradually cut down. So this is the function of the starter. So what is the function of the starter? To limit the starting current. Why the starting current is high? Because at start N is 0, so back EMF will be 0. That's why starting current is very high. And what will happen to the starting current is, if very high, this may happen. How to reduce the starting current? By inserting additional resistance in series with the armature, right? And when you motor will pick up the speed, N will increase, so EB will increase, so starting current will decrease. So we have to maintain that current to maintain the torque. Hence we will gradually cut down this resistance. Okay, that is a function of the starter we have. Now I am going to discuss what are the types of starter, where they do use. Okay, so first of all I am rubbing it. Now, types of starter. We have three types of starter. 3-point starter. This starter you can use in shunt motor and compound motor. Clear? 4-point starter will also be used in shunt motor, right? But when you are going to control the speed above the rated speed, मतलब weakening the field. शंट मोटर जैसे ही आपको स्पीड को बढ़ाना है तो वी हैव टू वीकन द फील्ड. सो वी विल डिस्कस व्हाट आर द ड्रॉबैक ऑफ 3-point starter. We will use the 4-point starter, and 2-point starter will be used only for series motor, because in series motor armature and field winding both will be connected in series, so it will require only 1 point. Actually 3-point starter में 3 points available है. L is connected to line, A is connected to armature, and field is connected to F is connected to field winding. But in case of series motor, armature and field both are connected in series, so it will require only 1 point. So L and A will be there. L and A, or you can say F. These are the 2 points available here. So we'll discuss all these 3 types of starter in the next slide. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to discuss the 3-point starter. This is the 3-point starter. Okay. In case of 3-point starter, 3 points are available. This will be used for shunt motor. 3 points are available. That is called as L. Second point connected to armature. L is connected to supply. Second point is A connected to armature, and third point connected to F connected to field. Clear? So all these connections are connected like that. 3 points are available. L will be connected to positive supply, A will be connected to A1, F will be connected to F1, A2 F2 short, and this point connected to negative supply. आपको सिर्फ ये कनेक्शन करना है बस. L will be connected to positive, A will be connected to armature A1, F will be connected to F1, A2 F2 आपको शॉर्ट करना है एंड कनेक्टेड टू नेगेटिव सप्लाई. क्लियर? और जैसे ही आप सप्लाई को ऑन करेंगे विद द हेल्प ऑफ सम स्विच, मोटर विल नॉट रन, बिकॉज दिस इज स्टार्टर हैंडल जो है ना वो ऑफ पोजीशन में है. जैसे ही आप इसको 1 पोजीशन में लेके आएंगे मोटर विल स्टार्ट. वी विल डिस्कस देन. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल आई वांट टू डिस्कस द पार्ट्स. These R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, you can say here, they are known as starting resistance. R1, R2, R3, R4, R5, they are called as starting resistance. They are connected in series with the armature because we have to insert the resistance, right? We'll discuss this point later on. You can say this is the handle, starter handle. It is called as starter handle. क्लियर? और ये जो है वो सॉफ्ट आयरन पीस है, यहाँ पर स्टार्टर हैंडल के साथ कनेक्टेड है. इट इज कॉल्ड सॉफ्ट आयरन पीस. दिस इज द स्पाइरल स्प्रिंग. इट इज देयर. क्लियर? व्हाट इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द स्पाइरल स्प्रिंग? टू कीप द हैंडल टू द ऑफ पोजिशन. दिस इज द ऑफ पोजिशन. इट इज कॉल्ड एज. सो दिस स्पाइरल स्प्रिंग का काम क्या है? टू कीप द हैंडल टू द ऑफ पोजिशन ऑलवेज. क्लियर? यू कैन से दिस ओवरलोड कॉइल, ये जो कॉइल दिख रही है ना, इट इज कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज विद द L, connected in series with the supply, right? It is called as overload coil. Whenever overload is there, it will trip the motor. इसका फंक्शन क्या है? To protect the motor from overloading. We'll discuss this point later on. Okay? Okay. So overload coil के part है lever and triangular iron piece. We'll discuss this point later on. Clear? इसके अलावा एक और coil है, you can see here. It is on the here it is connected, right? So this is called as no volt coil, और इसका दूसरा नाम है holding coil. It is called as no volt coil or holding coil. Clear? And 3 points are available, L, A, F. Clear? यहाँ पर ये पार्ट आपका स्टार्टर का है, ये तो सेपरेट पार्ट है. This is called as 3 points are available. That's why it is called as 3-point starter. Clear? These are the parts. Now what will happen? See here. First of all, how to make the connection? L will be connected with the positive supply of, okay? A will be connected to A1. F will be connected to F1. In this way, motor will be connected. Starter will be connected to motor. A2, F2 short and connected with the negative supply. Motor will be connected. Now how the starter works? So for starting manually, this handle, you can say this is the handle, right? This handle will bring to position number 1. जैसे ही आप इस पोजीशन में आएंगे, move manually here. So you can say current will start flowing in this way. This is called as IL. This current is IL, will start flowing to the whole overload coil, to the handle, to the here, and it is connected here. So you can say this resistance R1, R2, R3, R4, R5 will be connected in series with the armature. देखो आप, all this resistance will come in series with the armature. So this resistance will come in picture and it will be connected in series with the armature. At this point, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक और यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कौन सा करंट है? IL. और यहाँ आने के बाद दिस आर्मेचर विल टेक, ये करंट कौन सा फ्लो हो रहा है? यहाँ पर IA आर्मेचर करंट, और यहीं पर आके करंट डिवाइड होकर यहाँ कौन सा करंट जाएगा? यहाँ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज फील्ड करंट. क्लियर? फील्ड करंट यहाँ से ना होके एक्चुअली वो यहाँ नहीं कनेक्शन है, कनेक्शन यहाँ है. प्लीज, दिस कनेक्शन एक्चुअली यहाँ दिख रहा है, इट इज नॉट कनेक्टेड हियर, इट इज कनेक्टेड हियर to this is called as brass arm है. This is the brass arm. So this is not clear. अगर यहाँ कनेक्ट होता तो क्या होगा? Whatever the resistance you are cutting down from armature, same resistance will be added in the field circuit. So it is not connected here, it is connected to here. This is the brass arm. Clear? So this resistance, whatever the resistance you are cutting down from the armature circuit, will not add to the field circuit. Okay. So what will happen? We know starting current क्या है? IA equal to what? Position number 1, IA equal to what? VT minus EB upon RA plus R1 plus R2 plus R5 तक. All this resistance will be added and EB at start कितना है? 0. EB 0. So what is the IA1 equal to VT upon RA plus this resistance? Clear? Then within a second we will move from position 1 to position 2. Handle will come to here manually. When you bring this position, because what will happen? So within a second क्या होगा? जैसे ही motor will start, it will control the current. Motor will start rotating. So N will increase. N बढ़ेगा तो EB will increase. Now in position number 2. EB is not 0. In position number 2, some EB is there. So again, VT minus EB, this will decrease. To maintain the current, what we will do? We will cut down this resistance. Cut down करने के लिए क्या करना? आपको कुछ नहीं करना. Manually, we have to come to position number 2. जैसे ही आप पोजीशन 2 में जाएंगे, सो रेजिस्टेंस करंट यहाँ से IL आएगा यहाँ, और IL यहाँ जाएगा, और यहाँ जाने के बाद ये रेजिस्टेंस आर्मेचर सर्किट में क्या रहेगा? R2, R3, R4, R5, R1 कट डाउन और IF सेम रहेगा. क्यों? ये जो कट होने के बाद ये जो कनेक्शन है ये वाला यहाँ ना होके वो यहाँ है, रॉकर यहाँ ब्रास आर्म में. सो ये रेजिस्टेंस कट होने के बाद फील्ड करंट विल बी सेम. Again motor will pick up the speed. Again we will move the handle from 2 to 3 manually here. जैसे ही आप 3 पे जाएंगे, this resistance R1 और R2 will be cut down, and then it will R3 will be cut down, and finally slowly within a few seconds, maybe 5-10 seconds only, right? So we will move to here. All these resistance from R1 to R2, R3, R4, R5 will be cut down. Clear? What is happening actually? जैसे motor run होगी, EB will increase, so numerator will decrease, IA will decrease. So we have to maintain the current. We will cut down all these resistance. And finally क्या रह जाएगा? सिर्फ सर्किट में ये. जैसे ही आप इस पोजीशन में आएंगे, in final position, it is called as on position. This is called as off position. This is called as on position. On position में आने के बाद you can leave the handle. यहाँ से आपने मैन्युअली मूव किया था, यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक, यहाँ छोड़ देंगे. So what will happen? This is the holding coil is there. Clear? Holding coil will hold the handle to the on position. This is the function of the holding coil. What is the function of the holding coil? When you reach the position of handle to the position number 5 or 6 on position, keep the handle. Clear? और छोड़ने के बाद क्या होगा? It will possess some magnetism and handle will be in the on position only. That is the function of the holding coil. Now how it works, holding coil कैसे काम करता है? You can say here, this is the field current will come from here. यहाँ आ रहा है field current, clear? यहाँ से आने के बाद यहाँ से जा सकता था, but ये दो point A और B, you can say this is A, this is A, this is B, this position B, this is B. यहाँ सॉरी, पोजीशन A और B क्या ओपन है, सो यहां से करंट नहीं आएगा, पूरा का पूरा करंट यहां से आएगा, हियर फील्ड करंट, हियर थ्रू हियर ऐसा जाएगा. सो वट एवर द करंट इज कमिंग थ्रू द फील्ड वाइंडिंग, सेम करंट इज फ्लोइंग थ्रू द होल्डिंग कॉइल, एंड whenever the current is flowing through the holding coil, it will possess some force, इसको बोलते हैं holding force, FH. It will possess some force of attraction, clear? And this force of attraction, if it is more than the force of repulsion, this is the spring force, you can say force, spring force. If this is more than the spring force का काम क्या है? To keep the handle to the ऑफ पोजीशन. यहाँ स्प्रिंग लगा है, वो इस पोजीशन में हैंडल को लाने की कोशिश करेगा. लेकिन अगर ये इसका फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, अगर इफ इट इज मोर देन द फोर्स ऑफ स्प्रिंग, हैंडल विल बी टू द ऑन पोजीशन. अगर आपने मैन्युअली छोड़ दिया, इस पोजीशन में रहेगा. दिस इज द फंक्शन ऑफ द होल्डिंग कॉइल, राइट? नाउ right, you can do the experiment. Now what will happen? This is the way of working. You can do the experiment, you can run the machine, right? Now what is the function of the overload coil? Just see here, overload coil का function क्या है? Actually suppose you are increasing the load on the motor. मैंने आपको प्रीवियस लेक्चर में बताया था, अगर आप लोड बढ़ाते जा रहे हैं तो आपको you have to take care, फुल लोड तक जाना है आपको, उसके ऊपर नहीं जाना. अगर आप ओवरलोड कर दिया तो क्या होगा? मोटर विल बी बर्न. मैंने आपको बताया था इसका मोटर जलने वाली है, क्योंकि जैसे ही ओवरलोड होगा मोटर विल टेक मोर आर्मेचर करंट बढ़ता जाएगा, तो यहाँ आर्मेचर कॉपर लॉस बढ़ेगा. दिस कॉपर लॉस विल कन्वर्ट इनटू हीट बढ़ेगी तो आर्मेचर वाइंडिंग जल जाएगी. क्लियर ना? सो वी हैव टू अवॉइड द ओवरलोडिंग. आपको केयर करना है, नहीं करेंगे तो यहाँ पर हमने क्या प्रोवाइड किया? ओवरलोड कॉइल प्रोवाइड किया है. क्लियर? जैसे ही ओवरलोड बढ़े होगा, दैट IL विल इंक्रीज. भाई IA बढ़ेगा तो IA कहां से आने वाला? IL से. IL विल इंक्रीज. IL बढ़ेगा, सो दिस विल possess सम फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. एक्चुअली ऐसा डिजाइन किया है कि फुल लोड तक ये फोर्स ऑफ अट्रैक्शन सफिशिएंट नहीं है, बट जैसे ही ओवरलोड होगा, दिस विल get force of attraction and it will attract this soft iron. You can say this lever triangular iron piece is there, it will be attracted. जैसे ये ऊपर जाएगा, this 2 point A और B will be shorted. यहाँ पर शॉर्ट हो जाएंगे. यहाँ पर ये दिख रहा है ना, ये because of triangular iron piece, A और B शॉर्ट. A और B शॉर्ट मतलब these 2 point शॉर्ट. ये अगर शॉर्ट हो गए तो क्या होगा? जो फील्ड करंट यहाँ से आ रहा था, यहां से ऐसे जा रहा था, वो वहां से ना जाके यहां से जाएगा थ्रू शॉर्टेस्ट पाथ ऑलवेज, राइट ना? ऐसा. सो फील्ड करंट विल कम फ्रॉम हियर टू A टू B देन टू B एंड इट विल गो हियर, एंड करंट थ्रू होल्डिंग कॉइल विल बी रिड्यूस्ड टू नियरली जीरो. क्लियर ना? करंट विल बी डाइवर्टेड थ्रू हियर, एंड करंट थ्रू होल्डिंग कॉइल जीरो हुआ तो क्या होगा? फोर्स ऑफ holding coil will become zero and it will become less than the force of spring, and because of spring force, handle will come to the off position. So this is the function of the overload coil. It will protect the motor from overload. Examiner may ask this question: what is the function of the holding coil, this coil, and what is the function of the overload coil? Clear? So in this way it will protect the motor from overload. सेकेंड फंक्शन क्या है इसका? होल्डिंग कॉइल का फंक्शन क्या है? एक काम तो यही है, ट्रिप कर देगा. दूसरा, इट विल फंक्शन ऑफ द होल्डिंग कॉइल क्या है? टू होल्ड द मोटर. सपोज आपने कभी कभी होल्डिंग कॉइल काम नहीं करता, हम इसको बांध के रखते हैं. सपोज सेकेंड फंक्शन ऑफ द होल्डिंग कॉइल क्या है? सपोज ड्यूरिंग योर एक्सपेरिमेंट एंड ड्यूरिंग योर वर्किंग, if supply fails, what will happen? During your working, if supply fails, what will happen? Supply fail हुआ है तो क्या होगा? ये जो करंट आ रहा था यहाँ होल्ड फील्डिंग वाइंड में, ये करंट जीरो हो जाएगा भाई। जैसे ही सप्लाई फेल होगी तो क्या होगा, इन केस ऑफ फेल्यूर ऑफ सप्लाई करंट थ्रू फील्ड वाइंडिंग विल बिकम जीरो। सबका करंट जीरो हो जाएगा बट करंट थ्रू फील्ड वाइंडिंग विल बिकम जीरो। जैसे ही फील्ड करंट जीरो हो जाएगा फोर्स ऑफ होल्डिंग कॉइल विल बिकम जीरो and because of spiral spring force handle will come to the off position. If it fails to come to the off position due to some reason, क्या होगा, जैसे ही सप्लाई रिज्यूम होगी ये हैंडल कौन सी पोजीशन में, ऑन पोजीशन में। What is the starting resistance? Zero. And because of this zero, this is zero because of at start n is zero, so EB is zero. Motor will draw heavy current and motor will burn. Clear? So this is the second function of the holding coil. In case of supply failure, handle will come to the off position. अगर आपने इसको बांध के रखा है किसी रीजन से तो मोटर जलने वाली है. That is a precaution we have to take. Clear? So this is the 3-point starter. Now, what is the drawback of 3-point starter? Suppose करो अगर आप स्पीड कंट्रोल कर रहे हैं, you know we have discussed the speed control का फार्मूला क्या बताया था आपको, n इक्वल टू vt माइनस eb सॉरी eb इक्वल टू, आपको अगर याद हो, so what is the eb इक्वल टू vt माइनस IARA. क्लियर? सो eb इक्वल टू क्या होता, k n फाई इक्वल टू vt माइनस IARA. n इक्वल टू क्या होगा, vt माइनस IARA अपॉन k फाई. स्पीड कंट्रोल, राइट? नाउ स्पीड कंट्रोल बाई फ्लक्स कंट्रोल मेथड है. फ्लक्स कंट्रोल मेथड का मतलब है आपको स्पीड अगर अबव द रेटेड स्पीड करना है, आपको फील्ड करंट को कम करना है. फील्ड करंट को कम करने के लिए फ्लक्स को कम करना है. इसको बोलते हैं वीकनिंग द फील्ड. व्हेन यू वीक द फील्ड, व्हेन यू रिड्यूस द फील्ड करंट, स्पीड विल इंक्रीज. अबव द रेटेड स्पीड यू विल गेट. सो फील्ड करंट कम करेंगे तो क्या होगा, करंट, फील्ड करंट कहां से आ रहा है, इसके थ्रू ना, होल्डिंग कॉइल के थ्रू, लाइक दैट. So field current will reduce, so force of holding coil will also be reduced, and force of holding coil will reduce, and it will become less than force of holding coil. If it is becoming less than the force of spiral spring, handle will come to the off position. Clear na? So this is the drawback. Sometimes during the speed control above the rated speed, holding coil will come to the off position. That is the main drawback of 3-point starter. And इसको अवॉइड करने के लिए we are going to use the 4-point starter. Clear? So everything is same, working is same, सब कुछ same है. सिर्फ one more point we have added, and holding coil will not be connected in series with the field winding. यहाँ पर फील्ड वाइंडिंग और होल्डिंग कॉइल सीरीज में है, उसमें सीरीज में ना होकर एडिशनल पॉइंट यूज किया है. दैट इज द डिफरेंस बिटवीन 3-point एंड 4-point. कहाँ यूज करेंगे 4-point को? अगेन 4-point स्टार्टर विल बी यूज्ड इन शंट मोटर, बट whenever you are going to control the speed above the rated speed, when you are going to control the speed by using the flux control method, right? So I am going to discuss the 4-point starter. Working everything I told you, you can read, you can just listen this presentation 2 times, everything will be clear. Okay, so the theory is given in the book, but I have given the, so I am going to rub it first. Okay, so I am going to discuss the 4-point starter. 4-point starter. This is the 4-point starter. You can say drawback I have given. I told you already what is the drawback of 3-point starter. So in 4-point starter, 4 points are available. L connected to positive supply, A is connected to armature, F is connected to field. Clear? And additional point N is there. और वहां पर ये जो एंड थे ना, यू कैन से हियर दिस वाज ए, इट वाज ए, this was B, this point, clear, B is connected here, B, and ये जो end था, ये end, ये यहाँ से जो गया ना होल्ड, ये, सो ये एंड इसके फील्ड वाइंडिंग की सीरीज में था, वो अभी फील्ड वाइंडिंग दिस इज द ब्रास आर्म इज कनेक्टेड फील्ड वाइंडिंग डायरेक्टली, क्लियर, और यहां से एक पॉइंट और लिया, 2 पॉइंट निकले हैं, ये क्लियर, सो दिस इज नॉट कनेक्टेड इन सीरीज द फील्ड वाइंडिंग, एडिशनल पॉइंट इज कनेक्टेड हियर, एन, क्लियर ना. So you can say this resistance or this point and this connected in parallel. This function of this resistance क्या है, to limit the field current. ये क्यों रेजिस्टेंस लगाया है, अगर आपने शॉर्ट हो गया तो ये पॉइंट और न्यूट्रल शॉर्ट हो सकता है डायरेक्टली, टू अवॉइड इट वी हैव एडेड द एडिशनल रेजिस्टेंस, दिस रेजिस्टेंस आई हैव एडेड हियर, क्लियर. Okay, so to avoid the short circuit I am going to use this resistance. So in this way field winding is not connected in series with the holding coil. That's why field winding अगर holding coil के series में नहीं है इसको, तो you can control the speed above the rated speed. That is the 4-point starter. Everything is same other than that, clear. So इसमें आप चाहो तो you can control the speed above the rated speed by this resistance. So current through holding coil will be unaffected, and current अगर unaffected है तो handle will not come to the off position, right? This is the 4-point starter. Now I'm rubbing it, everything is same, so I'm not going to discuss, everything is same, right? And one more starter we have, that is the 2-point starter. This will be used in series motor. Now you can say in 2-point starter, you can say the armature and field. In case of 2-point starter, you can say here, armature and field. This armature and field both are connected in series. So इसके लिए 2 point ना लग के, it will require only 1 point. Only 1 point. That is a F or A point, and the other point is called as L. So these 2 points are available. That's why it is called as 2-point starter. Clear? Everything is same. Everything is same other than that. Clear? So here plus minus, this will be used only for series motor. All these things are same other than this. Clear? So construction and working, everything is same, so I'm not going to explain it. I have explained 3-point starter in detail, clear. So here also everything is same except this change. So this is the 2-point starter used for series motor. Okay, I'm rubbing it, so I'm stopping here. Thank you very much for listening me carefully. Thank you.